Well, I purchased this great find at Goodwill for $4.99 and I was really excited, although it didn't have the rack inside like the one that I had purchased from Walmart. So I thought, what am I going to do for the bottom? And I saw a woman online making one out of lids. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I went out in the garage and I got me some zip ties, measured out via the lid how many large lids I would need. For today I'm making sweet and sour chicken, and I plan on getting all of these full. Here's hoping. So anyway, I'm gonna put this together. Let's see how it goes. Okay, please ignore the dogs, they're playing in the background. It seemed to work. It looks like it's gonna fit. Okay, I might have to put 2 more zip ties in the middle. Let's see. When I put it in there, I'll see how it sits. But when I was doing it, I wanted to keep it loose, so I made sure that it fit. I will try and see how it fits now. Looks like it fits. I guess the pure test is what happens when you put the jars in. I do have a little plastic thing, but it's not big enough to fit in here. I guess it's for one of the smaller pressure canners, but it says that you can attach 2. So next time I go to the store, I will grab another one so I can put them together. I believe it's over here in my drawer. You know, we all have one of those junk drawers. Yeah, here it is. Let me show it to you. Yeah, isn't that cool? You put it together with this little clip. And there were 2 clips. So what you can do is add another one to this. So I think I'll buy another one, and that'll be perfect for this bigger can, the bigger water bather.